Yo, what is going on, everybody? It has been such a long time since I've seen all your faces and since you guys have seen me. For those of you guys that don't know me, my name is Ali. I'm the CEO and founder and head educator at Cashflow Investing. And we teach people how to make money in the Forex market from their phone, from their computer, from the comfort of their home or on the road or wherever they're at. Hopefully not in the car, but wherever they're at. We opened this company in 2021. And when we first opened, we had a massive, enrollment, wave, I guess, for lack of a better word. We had a lot of people get started and we did really good for our first 2 years. And basically though, it was very messy. It was nothing but spit, grit, and determination. But we had a big dream, we had a big vision, and we were working really hard towards accomplishing that. And our goal at that time, and it still is this goal today, is to empower, enrich, and educate 1 million people and help 1 million people change their life in the Forex market. Whenever we started releasing that program, we had a lot of success with that as well. Students kept making money, new students were making money, and people were all around just happy with the program. But I still knew that I had to make improvements in general in order to provide better results for my community. I really started analyzing that version and seeing, okay, well, we made a lot of progress from when we first opened, but there's still things that need improvement. There are still things that I know could be done better or executed better. We started deep analyzing the program in its entirety, the onboarding sequences, the actual curriculum, how to build the curriculum. And I started learning so much more about how to teach, how to actually speak better, and how to transmit a message that way people can understand it in an easy way and build the best program available inside the Forex industry. Everything that Cashflow has up to this point has been developed and built, not for me, but for the student, for you, for the person that's actually taking time out of their day, out of their busy schedule to learn this skill set, learn this income skill that's going to allow them to make money and allow them to eventually leave their job and, make full-time income from their phone. Before, like I said, it was one giant program. Now, Cashflow University is built like an actual school, and it has different programs inside of that school that are designed for certain timing and certain placements in your trading journey. In the very beginning, we have phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. And basically what that is it's beginner, intermediate, and advanced in an organized, clean, and step-by-step way that is designed, again, with no fluff and with no time wasted, no overwhelming information. It's just straight what you need to know to get into the markets and make money with a consistent strategy on a month-to-month basis. That's what we all want. We're all doing this for the purpose of making money, not just to learn and be on a computer and say that you're a Forex trader. The purpose is to learn and actually make a withdrawal, meaning that you need a proper plan to do that. So with that being said, not only are you going to get the phases in the curriculum, you're going to get so many other programs. We have Prop for Mastery on how to get funded from anywhere from $25,000 to $500,000 in funding for you to trade with. We have Growth and Scaling Mastery on how to manage multiple accounts, how to offset your taxes, how to minimize your taxes, and what to do with your taxes with, without going too in depth in that, obviously, what to do with the actual money you're making in Forex and how to actually reinvest it into other avenues that are going to get you more passive income. Now, it's not just what to do to get started, it's what to do to get started, how to stay consistent, and then how to scale. We also have something known as the Cashflow Booster Pack. The Booster Pack is a bunch of AI calculators, tools, risk management journals, a bunch of other cool stuff that is designed, again, to take all the guesswork out of the trading experience and make it as simple and easy to follow as possible. With the university, you get something known as the 45-day roadmap. And the 45-day roadmap is made to help you make your first withdrawal in the next 45 days. So in the next 6 weeks, you're going to be able to make your first withdrawal in the first 45 days. One of the biggest problems that I've seen in the industry is that somebody will be trading with different programs, whether it's Forex, options, futures, crypto, whatever it is, and they'll be trading for so long and never make a withdrawal. Not a dollar will ever reach their bank account, but they'll be trading for 2, 3+ years, and I think that's absolutely ridiculous. With that being said, this blueprint is designed to, now, one, you're going to get the curriculum and you're going to get the education designed to turn you into a profitable trader. And not only that, you're going to get a 45-day roadmap to apply that information and use it to actually make money and make a withdrawal in the Forex market. It's a proven concept now. Instead of getting, less than 1% a year by leaving your money in the bank account, we can put it instead, invest it into the Forex market, control our money, and make more money, grow it. And when we grow it, we can reinvest those profits and make more money. That's what everything's about, ladies and gentlemen. It's about making cash flow. It's about cash flow investing. And in order to do that, you got to trade first. You got to learn how to trade the correct way and build a correct system. You're not guaranteed, but if you follow the roadmap, you're pretty much guaranteed to make your first withdrawal in the next 45 days, ladies and gentlemen. Aside from Cashflow University, one of the other proud programs that I'm excited to announce is the release of something known as the Accelerator Program. It's a 7-day quick start journey. You're going to be able to take your first trade in 7 days. Your first trade, 7 days. You sign up with the Accelerator Program, and in the next 7 days, you will take your first Forex trade on your own. And you'll not only just take the trade, but you'll know what you're doing, why you did it, and you'll have confidence in what you're doing with the ability to scale on your own now. Again, so many other cool things that I'm excited to announce, but the main thing, the biggest thing that I'm excited to announce, ladies and gentlemen, there's something that I knew from day one. If I had this and the students had access to this, it would streamline everything for the students and cause so much less confusion and just create an all-around better experience for all of us as a community, myself as a mentor and you as a student. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I am happy and proud to announce that Cashflow Investing finally has our own mobile app. We finally have our own app that you can go to the App Store, whether you're on Google, whether you're on Apple, or any phone in between. You go to the App Store, you type in Cashflow, and you will be able to find us there. You can type download, and you will be able to join the Cashflow community. Somewhere in this video, I'm going to have a link for you guys to go download the app as well. Completely free. I have a ton of free resources, free information, free live streams, free daily analysis, free tools, again, free community, free access to other traders that are in the same situation as you. It's everything that you would need to become a profitable trader on your own or with me, whichever one you prefer. It allows us to, remove all the external things. The courses are on there. The community is on there. The live streams are on there. No more Discord, no more Telegram, no more Zoom, no more Facebook, no more WAP, none of this stuff. When you join the Cashflow community, you get to be confident and trust that you're learning in an ecosystem that cares about the long-term future of where you're going to be, because we took the time to build our own platform and our own ecosystem that you are going to be able to be a part of. Basically, everything that you need, everything that I ever needed and wanted myself when I first got started trading is here inside of the Cashflow campus. You're going to learn the platforms, the brokers that you need, the tools that you need, the apps that you need to download, everything that you need in order for you to start trading. We're going to help you set up your demo account. We're going to help you take your first few trades. We're going to get you set up for success, and you're going to build comfort in the plan, and you're going to build confidence in what you're doing as a Forex trader. Whether you're a current student, all of your tools, resources, education, community is there. And if you're a future student, all your tools, resources, and community is there. So many people treat this like it's just, some get rich quick thing, or like it's some hobby that's going to allow you to make millions of dollars with minimal effort. Instead, it's, pretty much the complete opposite of that. It's a very hard skill set to learn if you go out there in the world and try and do it yourself. It's something, though, that allows you, though, to make, 6 figures, 7 figures from home. Imagine sitting here, you press some stuff, and you're able to make some money. You know what I mean? Where else can you do that without having to talk to somebody, without having to sell a product, without having to build a product, or without having to go out and work, for 8 to 10 hours a day? Where can you just can't do it? Trading is the only income stream and avenue that allows you the flexibility and the freedom to do what you want, when you want, how you want to do it, once you learn how to do it. This program is designed to teach you the professional information that everyone else leaves out. No one else teaches core foundational information. So that's boring stuff. It's a long program. We're not gonna lie to you. It's long. It's not, yes, you get through it in 45 days, but it's 45 days of hard work. You know what I mean? Yes, it's easy, but it's hard up here. You still got to push yourself to learn it. But it's still something that is designed to teach you how to professionally build a profession in the Forex industry, or how to actually make money. So you don't want to just make money for a year. You know what I mean? You don't want to just make, 100 grand once. Your 100 grand is not going to retire you, your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, your loved ones for the rest of their lives and your life. It's not going to do it. You need 100 grand every month at a minimum, every 2 months, every 3 months for the rest of your life, for the next 40, 50 years. How are you going to do it? You need proper information and guidance and resources in order for you to scale and build a career as a Forex trader. There's more complexities than what most people like to tell you. And I'm here to tell you because I'm honest with you and I love you and I care about you. I want you to have success with what you're doing. So I'm telling you this up front. And that's why I'm also telling you, inside of the university and inside the roadmap, I cover all of this and I go over all of this in depth. That way you aren't left blinded and have to get smacked in the face 3-4 years into your trading journey like I did multiple times. We have systems put in place. What does system stand for? Save yourself, time, energy, money. We built this in a way that was designed to help you get your first win early on. whether you're joining the accelerator, whether you're joining the university, or whether you're just enrolling in the campus. Whatever avenue and path you pick, it is designed to help you actually make money. The only thing that's required is for you to make the shift. Make the shift and take action. That's all you got to do. And then everything else, you just got to trust me that your boy put in the effort and that I'm here to make sure that you are successful in this industry. It's because I take time to one-on-one build my relationships with everybody and help them actually get the results that they want to get. And it's not just a video series. It's not just a Telegram group. It's not just signals. It's not just some program that's wrinkly dinkly where it's, made just for you to, sign up and then never actually learn. No, this is a curriculum that was designed to help you make your first trade, make your first withdrawal, and make money trading. And it's just gonna help you get results faster. It's not better, it's not that trading, with me is better than trading with Joe, or trading with me is better than trading with ABC, or trading with me is better than trading with whoever. It's just right. That's the difference, man. Trading with Cashflow is just right. This is the one. This is the program. This is going to be the staple name that you're going to hear about, the same way we talk about Investopedia and Baby Pips, and whatever XYZ platform. Cashflow is going to be that XYZ platform. We're not going anywhere. Almost 5 years now, but not one bad review. I've never had one bad review. We have nothing but good reviews, actually, so we're only up from here. We're only up from here. The goal right now for the next year is to help 1,000 people make their first withdrawal in the Forex market. We already have around 300, so we have around 700 more to go. We're going to help 700 people make their first withdrawal in the Forex market. That's a big goal, but with God's grace, he's going to bless me and allow me to help that many people not only just make money, but change their life. Everything I've talked about, everything I've hyped up, everything that I've worked on for the last, year, and really, if I'm being honest, 5 years now, it's finally here. It's officially here. The doors are officially open to the public, and you guys are going to be able to see everything that we have to offer, and you're going to be able to learn, but not only that, you're going to be able to earn at the same time. You're going to learn the information and then earn enough to change your situation, guys. The goal and the systems were designed to build the best Forex traders in the entire freaking planet. And we're not going to stop until we have that goal accomplished. You know what I mean? So with that being said, what you guys do right now. So somewhere in this video, below, above, somewhere in there, we're going to have a link to join the free community. And we're going to have a link for you guys to check out our new website. We're going to have a link for you guys to check out the actual Cashflow University campus and, see everything that we have to offer. Also, I'm going to have a link down there as well for you guys to book a free call with me. We'll go over everything, person to person. We're going to be able to chat it up. We're going to be able to see what program is the best fit for you. We're here and we're here to stay. And I'm here to help you. I'm excited to see you all inside the Cashflow campus. Download the app, book that free call, join the university. And with that, guys, I will see you all at the top because the bottom is way too crowded, ladies and gentlemen. God bless you all, and I'll see you guys inside the campus. Peace.